Are you still looking for spectacular jewelry in the Hobe Sound, Florida area? Come into Joseph's Jewelry to browse the largest selection of jewelry on the Treasure Coast. You'll love your jewelry from Joseph's. Here's a few reasons why. You get to choose from the largest selection of gorgeous jewelry on the Treasure Coast. Your dream jewelry can be custom made by us. You'll get top priority treatment from the owners and their staff. At Joseph's Jewelry, you'll get all of this and more. Don't settle for less than fine jewelry from Joseph's Jewelry. Call us today to find out what we have in store. Call 772-214-1995 today. That's 772-214-1995. Where the Treasure Coast gets engaged.